Hi Kartike, welcome to Nissan. Rakesh will be joining us soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Karthik, have you noticed? I'm wearing a Nissan mask.
Please behave, man.
Karthik, ये देख GTR scale model.
अरे scale model छोड़ इधर देख almost life size है dude. देख.
Now just imagine, Karthik, imagine if you were the Rakesh Srivastava, huh? Then you would be sitting here like a boss.
Dude, please dude. Please. Dude, ये अपना first episode है. Please get up
Karthik,
from
तू इतना
there.
freak out क्यों हो रहा है? सवाल हमें से पूछने हैं.
You know who we are meeting today? He's like that professor from college for whom everybody falls into line.
Yeah, I know.
Okay? Please, Uja. He's coming! He's coming!
Hey Karthik, yaar, come on, this is not a time to joke around like this. Be serious. So the managing director, Sir Rakesh Srivastava is here. We get started. Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I never thought that we will be getting this sort of an audience with you. We are very excited. Our viewers are very excited. This is the first show of Meet the Leaders. So let's get started.
Great, but I see you with tone jeans. What happened?
These are just the way I bought them.
Okay, they remind me of my daughter wearing it. So
Yeah.
this is beautiful, let me tell you.
It really worked for me
So-
last time when I... Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, so sir, with Nissan and Magnite right now, really quite a story that's unfolding still in front of us. You've been at Nissan not for that very long, but we are seeing that splash that everyone was kind of expecting. We really want to know how you've made it happen in this time.
The launch of the all-new Nissan Magnite on the 2nd of December. First 5 days, 5,000 bookings. Then we ended up the month on 30th, 31st, because that was the time when the bookings were closing on the introductory prices, and 32,800 bookings. The key here was we were bringing in a product in one of the most challenging times, the COVID times. So largely everything got delayed. We lost a full month like April, where zero sales happened.
Yeah.
And when you say zero sales
All
in
over the
two-wheelers, four-wheelers, tractors, commercial vehicles, I have never ever experienced a single month where the revenue has been zero. So these were unprecedented times. Yes, we had declared work from home, but yes, in my case, when the second lockdown ended, I started attending office. I felt I needed to be the first one to come to the office before I call other colleagues of mine to start visiting the office. Getting everything organized was a big challenge.
The way you're narrating it, it's quite a Herculean task to really put it together. To be honest, April, the month that you mentioned, I nearly also lost my job. If someone like him is looking for a job, what's the quality in people that you look for?
To me, passion, right? That's the most important part. And I see a lot of passion in both of you. I think you are very apt to join Nissan. Although I believe that you are doing great in your current roles, and you should prosper in that, and maybe prosper more and buy a full-fledged jean without tone jeans, right? Right? But this is a beautiful style. Yeah, passion.
Passion. You also spoke of introductory prices. The whole world thought, okay, it's just going to be introductory prices, but you have carried on the same prices further forward. What's the secret sauce behind that?
Well, when we were talking about introductory prices, let me take you to another aspect. We were launching this product in the month of December. And in my career, there have been very few launches in the month of December. What is a December customer? And what is he seeking? They seek a deal. They're basically looking forward towards the highest price value equation.
Correct.
Whenever you launch a product, you always are looking forward towards early adopters. And you want to give them the best because they are the ones who take the first call, and you would like to give them the best in terms of the value propositions at a particular introductory price. Yes, once we did 32,800 bookings, and that's the time the second thought came in. In gratitude to them, let us have more of them and thank them in our own way by extending it.
As much as we want to go and say an automobile is a need, at the end of the day, it is about freedom. It's about that joy that you get from being able to move from place A to place B, and that joy is something else altogether.
It happens even with the dog when the dog is sticking his head out the window, an open window into the air. And
Actually, I wanted to talk to you about freedom, and we know that you are an avid motorcyclist.
our viewers don't really know this, but Rakesh sir here owns a Triumph Rocket 3.
I talk about fear when it comes to Rocket 3 because it's that big and heavy, but he rides one.
Well, since COVID, I've not touched it. Unfortunately, what had happened was, it was that I had twisted my ankle and was not able to ride it because I was walking my pet.
Your pet
And-
is a dog, sir?
It's a French bulldog
Oh, okay.
and named as Oreo. And and some pets attacked my pet, and so in the event of saving my own pet, right, I twisted my ankle.
Not
But
motorcycle, it wasn't the motorcycle.
my driver, he used to take me on the bike, right? Because, well, you can't do it in the front, you can't ride it there, right? Huh? So I used to be behind. So I could say is maybe in India, I would be the only chauffeur-driven biker.
Would you, from your experience, say that India is great at localization?
Indian auto industry, I would say, is very good at localization and improvisation. Yes, maybe area there we can be a bit more is towards innovation and R&D. Japanese engineering is well renowned in terms of precision, in terms of bringing in the right values, bringing in the right safety, bringing in the right performance.
I love the GTR, by the way.
Yes.
Just thought this would be the right place. I own a GTR, so Japanese engineering is just the best in the world for me.
Just like you, I would also like to own a GTR someday. Let's look forward towards it.
You said it's engineered in Japan, and we know that Nissan, it was positioned a bit more premium. Wasn't there some reluctance or hesitation from Japan to go this aggressive with the Magnite and, maybe change how people look at the brand in that sense?
The headquarters in Japan just said only one thing. It's your customer and you know your customer best. Do what is good for your customers. And that is where comes in the Japanese philosophy of Gemba. Picking up every whisper, picking up every silence.
Can we know of any of those silences or those whispers that you tapped into in these Gemba conversations?
Well, one of the things that came out when we were talking to them was in terms of launch timing. Right? And that is where this came in from the field. That in December we'll have the highest number of customers. This all came in from Gemba. A customer normally decides on a car within 5 seconds whether he's liked the car or he's not liked the
5
car.
seconds.
Within 5 seconds.
Yeah, I do that all the time.
He falls in love with practically every car also.
No, but
garage
His
quite
case is
different.
different. The last love of his was GTR, and let me tell you, it's going to be a lasting love.
it is. In fact, sir, you have delivered in spades here. Clearly, HQ is going to listen to you. And so if there is any way for me to request you to pass on a message to them, the 2021 GTR manual handbrake has been removed. And now it comes with an electric handbrake.
Within the family, there's going to be intense competition as well. Magnite's platform sibling, the Renault Kiger, has been unveiled, is on its way to showrooms. How do you see that playing out? How can the Magnite continue to build on its strength and growth for the Nissan brand?
Every customer wants to enjoy the all-new Nissan Magnite at the earliest. Towards this, then we took a very, very considered decision in bringing in third shift, employing 1,000 additional workforce. In addition to that, also adding something like 500 more manpower at our dealerships so that we could take care of our customers and their requirements.
So your focus is customers should experience the Magnite, and that itself will...
I think that has worked quite well till now. I mean, you launched it in the month of December and it worked because of this very proposition.
And a channel partner of ours, he delivered 100 Magnites on a single day.
100 Magnites in a day, that headline, by the way, really made the rounds everywhere and got a lot of people sit up and take notice. There are a few things that I would really want from Nissan. One is, of course, Nissan has given our market the Magnite. The other, I would like to see the manual handbrake go back into the 2021 GTR. Or, there are two big names for Nissan in the Indian market, which is Sunny and Micra. Is there going to be a comeback for these two?
What I get to understand is of you're very demanding. And I don't know how madam is handling you. right? Because you want this also and that also, but that I think that's your nature, right? And it's good to have a very, very demanding person and a demanding customer or a
he's
discerning
not.
one, right? That's good about it. Yes, Sunny and Micra, beautiful products, right? Currently we are exporting Sunny still, but then for us, our car penetration is still at the level of around 22 vehicles per 1,000 people, where in US is something it's like 980 vehicles per 1,000 people. So the opportunity is big. And when the opportunity is big, we would definitely like to continue to study the marketplace. And at some point of time, we will take a decision in terms of what should.
Sir, what is the most favorite color combination on a Magnite that you would recommend your customers?
The color that my customer chooses is the most beautiful color, and that's my color.
I'm not really trying to be demanding here, but I have one more demand, which is, you've spoken and thrown some light on the Indian market, localization. Do you think India is ready for electric vehicles? What about
Not demanding at all.
What about the Nissan Leaf? Because that's a product I'm a big fan of again, and it's a revolutionary product.
Electric vehicles, if not the need today, definitely they are the future. We would be more than happy to bring in Leaf. It's a beautiful product, and customers who've experienced it, the feedback is phenomenal. Currently, the studies are on, not only on this, but multiple products, and at an appropriate time.
What do you
we'll take
think
a
is the right combination? Often it's said you need an electric vehicle under 10 lakh rupees. But is it just the price, or it will be the price and the range for under 10 lakhs? What do you think is the golden combination? If you hit that, then electric vehicles become a mass market proposition.
At the end of the day, mass marketing or mass mobilization will happen only when you are able to excite the customer, win his confidence, and bring in affordability. It is need of the hour. Definitely, it's a future of ours.
Right. Rakesh sir, it is quite evident in this conversation that you are laying a lot of stress on winning the confidence of the customer, and that's fantastic. And you quite literally are doing that. 4-star Asian NCAP safety rating for the Magnite. Your customer is very happy with that. How do you plan on tackling the problem of, say, winning their confidence when it also comes to after sales?
First is actually creating a good engineered product. So ensuring roadside assistance is the second key part. The third is basically cost of ownership. As far as cost of ownership is concerned, of the all-new Nissan Magnite, per kilometer it is just 29 paise.
So in terms of touch points, like traditionally, do you think people are less tied to having a touch point really close by now compared to before? Has that helped Nissan in this?
It's just not the number of touch points that matter. It is how you are able to service the customer that matters. This is where phygital comes in. Physical plus digital. All our customers experienced it when they were booking the car. 32,800 bookings when you have. Out of that, 3,887 bookings came in on the online platform of ours. That's phenomenal. That shows that the customers have moved. And one look and they said, hey, this is it.
Let's buy.
Yahi hai right choice. But yeah.
Any plans of having the Nissan Patrol back on our Indian roads?
Well,
A lot of enthusiasts would
well,
love that.
Nissan is known for its SUV DNA. To us, it's a beautiful DNA that we have. All new Nissan Magnite is part of the DNA. Someday, as we understand the Indian customer and their requirements, we will take some calls.
We will now transition our tete-a-tete into something that helps us understand you. And I will start with my first question here. You are an inspiration. I want to know, who is your inspiration?
This word saying that you are an inspiration now is bringing it perspiration for me, right? And I'm starting to sweat now. Some of the people who inspired me was Lee Iacocca, right? Yeah. The second person that I would say inspired me a lot was my first boss, right, in the Indian auto industry. That was Mr. Jagdish Khatta. He's the one who took my interview in my first auto company. I would say, as far as the auto industry is concerned, these are the two people.
Who do you get the discipline strain from?
Well, I would say discipline strain would come in largely from my father, right? My father was basically what you call as the second generation forces person, and he was in the
Everything's
Indian
clear
Air
now.
Force. So we have 4 generations. So the discipline strain, right, runs in our blood. It's good to be disciplined. At the end of the day, strategy is a big thing. Where exactly you're deciding. You're standing at a crossroad. Which direction do I move in? Deciding that is strategy.
My personal inspiration is, of course, you, and then, of course, also Napoleon Bonaparte. And he once said that nothing is more difficult and hence more precious than being able to decide. So it's nice to see you again kind of reiterating the same. I think we should get going and make this even more exciting with rapid fire questions where we get to know you even more. And some of these questions are going to be very easy. Some of these are going to be very difficult. Karthik, go ahead with the first one.
Pick one. Looks or performance?
Performance any day.
Books or movies?
I would say books.
Sachin or Sehwag?
Both are beautiful players. Very, very strong performers. I will say Kapil Dev.
Ah, okay.
Rear wheel drive or all wheel drive?
All-wheel drive.
Same for me, by the way. The GTR is a phenomenal car because of the
Arey,
all-wheel
bas
drive.
kar.
The next question is very important to me personally. Rakesh sir, Karthik or Rohan?
Amitabh Bachchan.
तुम दोनों जाओ.
So both of you are like film stars to me.
Last few words, if you want to say anything to your customers, our viewers who are getting to know you, and those who are standing in the beeline to book the Magnite.
I would want you to enjoy this beautiful relationship with the Nissan family, the all-new Nissan Magnite, and the other product of ours. You can be demanding on us, and it is our duty to be responsible and to deliver to your expectations, and we'll do that.
Thank you so much, Rakesh sir. You have been fantastic in this interview. I really feel honored.
I'm feeling demanding. Sir, GTR है basement.
So now you're a Nissan customer. That's good. I like that. I like that.